Hey everyone, the Redmi Pad 2, officially launching on June 5th, 2025, is Xiaomi's latest attempt at crafting an affordable yet capable media-centric tablet. As a follow-up to the original Redmi Pad, it positions itself beneath the larger and more premium Redmi Pad Pro, targeting users who want a versatile entertainment device without breaking the bank. From the outset, Xiaomi has framed the Redmi Pad 2 as a compact binge buddy, a moniker supported by its 11-inch 2.5K LCD display. With a 90 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 600 nits, the screen is clearly designed for smooth video playback and casual productivity. The resolution should provide crisp visuals, making it suitable for streaming, reading, and web browsing alike. While it doesn't push the boundaries of flagship displays, it feels well matched to the product's budget-conscious intent. Audio gets a notable boost thanks to the inclusion of 4 Dolby Atmos certified speakers. For a device that leans heavily into media consumption, this is a welcome feature, and early impressions suggest the soundstage is robust and immersive for its size class. The choice of the Helio G100 Ultra as the processor may raise some eyebrows, but in this context it seems to strike a balance between affordability and performance. It supports 4G connectivity in certain models, ensuring usability on the go for those opting for the cellular variant. Performance-wise, benchmark scores from early testing clocked the Redmi Pad 2 at around 400,000 points on AnTuTu, indicating that it's a solid mid-tier performer. Games like Call of Duty, Mobile, and Asphalt 9 reportedly run well, which speaks to the optimization of the chipset in Xiaomi's software layer. HyperOS paired with Android 15 brings new features like Circle to Search. The tablet is offered in multiple configurations: a base Wi-Fi only model with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage priced around €199, and a higher-end 4G version featuring 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage for €299. Still, the 9,000 mAh battery promises a long runtime, likely enough for full-day usage under typical conditions. Design-wise, the Redmi Pad 2 is available in black or gray and mint green, with a lightweight body that enhances its portability. Despite being affordable, the build doesn't feel overly compromised, and the presence of a micro SD card slot and headphone jack are welcome touches that many manufacturers have been phasing out. Camera capabilities are modest, with a 5 megapixels front camera suitable for video calls and an 8 megapixels rear camera that's serviceable for casual snapshots or document scanning. In summary, the Redmi Pad 2 looks to be a thoughtfully crafted mid-range tablet that delivers on its promise of being a reliable companion for everyday tasks and entertainment. With a high-resolution display, strong audio setup, decent performance, and practical features like expandable storage and long battery life, it presents excellent value, especially for students, casual gamers, and media lovers who want a versatile device without overspending. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.